Everyone, I'm back with a new video. So, in this video, we are going to solve some basic questions regarding partial differentiation. So, in my previous lecture, I have already covered the basics you require to start solving partial differentiation. So, if you haven't watched that video, you can check out my playlist. So, let's begin. What we need to prove is deva 3u by deva x, deva y, and deva z. Okay, from this equation, we are going to prove this. So let's begin. First step is to differentiate with respect to z partially. So deva u by deva z will be equal to e raised to x y z into x1. And now again differentiating same equation with respect to y partially. Now we will apply a basic formula we have learned in 11th standard, which is UV rule. Deva 2u by deva y deva z should be equal to x e raised to x y z plus x y to e raised to x y z into x z. Easy. So simplifying x into e raised to x y z plus x squared y and z. So what I can do here is take e raised to xyz common, or let it be. So since we have already gotten the value, okay. Now further step is to again differentiate with respect to x partial. So this will give me deva 3u by deva x, deva y, and deva z, which will be equal to x into e raised to x y z into yz plus e raised to x yz plus 2x e raised to x yz plus x squared e raised to x yz into yz. Simplifying equations, x should be equal to x yz into e raised to x yz plus e raised to x yz plus 2xyz e raised to x yz plus x square y square z square e raised to x yz. So simplifying the equation, what we are getting is, so we require 1 plus 3. Okay, yeah. taking e raised to x yz common. So what we are getting is 3 x yz plus 1 plus square y square z square. And square. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video and need further more